Hi everyone, and thank you so much for watching this video. Before I forget, please subscribe to my channel to watch more videos and share it with anyone you know that paints with watercolors. This is the newest addition to my Songbird line of brushes. If you're new to my channel, you might not know that I also sell my own brushes. My line is called Songbird and is designed by me and Da Vinci Artist Brush, and they are handmade by Da Vinci in Germany. Yesterday, I just launched my new rigger brushes. These come in a set of 2. So when you purchase a rigger in my Etsy shop, you're actually buying a set of 2 different rigger brushes. The wooden handle one is series 1209, and it's really nice for creating the finest lines. I paint a lot of animals in watercolors, and I have created this rigger brush so I can paint the finest lines without switching to a smaller brush, for example. This brush is medium soft and is created with special fibers to mimic real Kolinsky hair. So all my brushes are actually vegan and cruelty free. Now the black handle rigger 831 series is just as good for fine lines, but the main characteristic of this brush is that it's a bit fuller and stiffer, and I have designed it so I could easily lift colors. I lift colors when I paint animal fur, human hair. I lift colors when I need to create like veins, whenever I paint leaves, or even flower petals. So lifting is just one of those techniques that are so essential to watercolors, and I've always wanted to have a rigger brush that's perfect for lifting. So this is the 831 series, but whenever you buy a rigger from me, you're actually gonna get 2 of these brushes. So both of these brushes, the series 831 and then 1209. All my brushes are sold via my Etsy shop, and the link is also underneath this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please let me know if you have any questions.